Gavana James Orengo yango ni duond buch siasa ma ODM ok bi donje winjruok kod mano mar Kenya Kwanza. Orengo kwedo pacho gai mar Azimio Raila Odinga mariwore kod jatend piny William Ruto komedo ni nyaka familia mano wito jogi e ng'anyo yud ratichgi kowacho ni e sani jotelo ok onego pogre lemo e sirkal ka familia mang'eny pod nigi lit. Orengo ne lose kar chung' od bura mar Lagos Songa e iko ma Kevin Onyango mano wito ngimane e ng'anyo mano timore e kaunti ma Siaya.
We cannot kill our people. And the time when we are mourning them, we are looking for officers. That cannot happen. We must first deal with injustice before we can deal with questions that arise out of that injustice. And I want to say, those who are in a rush to join Ruto, that Ruto is a passing cloud. I am saying that without a fear of contradiction. Because Ruto now has no money, because he's been borrowing, and the Kenyans have told him you cannot borrow. Ruto has said no taxation, but he said he is continuing to taxation, and he refused taxation through the finance bill, so he cannot tax Kenyans. Ruto has lost the confidence of the international community. So, where is Ruto going to take us? Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work.